The 2025 MGC GT is making a remarkable comeback, bringing with it the spirit of classic British motoring while embracing modern engineering. This car, a tribute to the legendary MGC from the late 1960s, has been reimagined for the modern enthusiast. Its sleek, coupe-like body retains the timeless silhouette of its predecessor, but gets a sharper, more aerodynamic design language that fits perfectly in today's market. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 MGC GT captures attention with its sculpted hood, wide front grille, and striking LED headlamps that blend retro styling with futuristic appeal. The long bonnet and fastback rear keep the proportions classic, yet everything feels modern, tight, and refined. The exterior build quality of the 2025 MGC GT is impressive. MG has used lightweight aluminum in key areas to reduce weight while increasing rigidity, which significantly improves driving dynamics. The car sits lower to the ground with an aggressive stance, sporting 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim. Subtle chrome detailing, dual exhaust outlets, and a subtle rear spoiler add to the GT's performance-oriented look. The front end is clean and focused, with active air intakes that not only cool the engine, but also enhance aerodynamic efficiency. In terms of paint choices, MG is offering vibrant classic hues like British racing green, Oxford blue, and even a heritage white with racing stripes option. Inside the cabin, the 2025 MGC GT is a pleasant mix of vintage charm and modern luxury. It retains classic touches like circular air vents, toggle switches, and a minimalist dash, but combines them with a fully digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen. The materials used are high quality, with soft leather seats, contrast stitching, brushed aluminum trim, and optional wood veneer inserts that echo the car's heritage. The seats are sport-styled but still comfortable enough for long drives, offering heating and power adjustability. MG has taken comfort seriously in this model, with improved cabin insulation and a premium sound system that offers crystal-clear audio quality. The driver's seating position is low and engaging, giving you a true sports car feel. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed and leather-wrapped, with integrated controls that don't overwhelm the driver. The digital display is customizable, allowing the driver to switch between classic analog-inspired dials or a futuristic layout. Practicality has also been improved compared to the original MGC GT, with decent cargo space in the rear and split-folding rear seats for added flexibility, making it suitable for short trips or even a weekend getaway. Under the hood, the 2025 MGC GT packs serious performance. It features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine as standard, producing around 260 horsepower and 280 lb-ft of torque. For performance enthusiasts, MG also offers a 3.0-liter inline-6 variant that delivers up to 350 horsepower, providing a thrilling driving experience that matches the car's sporty looks. The power is delivered through a 6-speed manual gearbox as standard, with an optional 8-speed automatic transmission for those who prefer a more relaxed driving style. Acceleration is impressive, with the top-spec model doing 0 to 60 mph in just under 5 seconds. The 2025 MGC GT is rear-wheel drive, staying true to its grand touring roots, and offers a limited slip differential for improved traction during spirited driving. The suspension setup has been finely tuned for a balance between comfort and performance, with adaptive dampers available on higher trims. The steering is precise and responsive, offering excellent feedback and making twisty roads a joy to navigate. Whether cruising on the highway or attacking mountain curves, the MGC GT remains composed and confident. Braking performance is equally strong, thanks to ventilated discs and an advanced ABS system. When it comes to tech and safety, the MGC GT doesn't fall short. It includes modern features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the onboard navigation is fast and intuitive. wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and ambient lighting further enhance the cabin experience. As for pricing, the 2025 MGC GT is surprisingly competitive considering its heritage, design, and performance. The base model with the 2.0-liter turbo starts at around $39,000, while the more powerful 3.0-liter variant starts at approximately $47,000. Fully loaded versions with all performance and luxury options can push the price close to $55,000. Compared to European competitors in the same segment, the MGC GT offers exceptional value. The 2025 MGC GT is more than just a nostalgic throwback. It's a well-executed modern grand tourer with the right mix of style, performance, and everyday usability. It stands as a bold statement from MG, showing the world they can honor the past while moving confidently into the future. Whether you're a fan of the original or simply in the market for a unique sports coupe, the MGC GT is a compelling choice that brings character, charm, and capability in one striking package.